The decision to hire a licensed electrician for electrical work, such as wiring a water heater, involves several factors, primarily safety and adherence to electrical codes. Electrical work can be dangerous if not performed correctly. Incorrect wiring can lead to shocks, fires, and damage to appliances. Licensed electricians have the training and experience to perform electrical work safely and in compliance with local and national electrical codes. These codes, such as the National Electrical Code or NEC, are designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. The NEC covers a wide range of electrical installations, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and bonding. For example, Article 422.10 addresses the installation of water heaters, specifying requirements for branch circuits and overcurrent protection. Article 250 covers grounding and bonding, which are essential for preventing electrical shock hazards. An electrician will ensure that the water heater is properly grounded, reducing the risk of electrical shock. They will also select the correct size of wire and overcurrent protection device, such as a circuit breaker or fuse, to protect the circuit from overloads and short circuits. The size of the wire required depends on the amperage rating of the water heater. NEC Table 310.15b16 provides ampacity ratings for different wire sizes and insulation types. For example, a 30 amp circuit would typically require 10 AWG copper wire with type THHN insulation, assuming it is rated for 75 degrees Celsius. The overcurrent protection device must also be sized appropriately to protect the circuit. NEC Article 240.4d provides rules for the protection of conductors. Generally, the overcurrent protection device should not exceed the ampacity of the wire it protects. However, there are exceptions for specific appliances, such as water heaters, where the overcurrent protection device can be sized up to 125% of the appliance's rated current, as permitted by NEC Article 422.11(3). When replacing an electric water heater, an electrician will first disconnect the power to the circuit at the main electrical panel. This is a critical safety step to prevent electrical shock. They will then disconnect the existing wiring from the old water heater. Before connecting the wiring to the new water heater, the electrician will inspect the wiring and connections to ensure they are in good condition. If the wiring is damaged or deteriorated, it should be replaced. The electrician will use appropriate connectors and wiring methods to ensure a secure and reliable connection. They will also ensure that the wiring is properly insulated to prevent short circuits. The voltage rating of the water heater must match the voltage of the electrical circuit. Most residential water heaters operate at 240 volts. However, some larger water heaters may operate at 208 volts or 480 volts in commercial settings. Using a water heater with the wrong voltage can damage the appliance and create a safety hazard. An electrician will verify the voltage of the circuit and ensure that it matches the voltage rating of the water heater. The amperage rating of the water heater is also important. The circuit supplying the water heater must be able to handle the appliance's amperage draw. An electrician will calculate the load on the circuit to ensure that it is not overloaded. NEC Article 220 provides rules for calculating electrical loads. The load calculation takes into account the amperage rating of the water heater, as well as any other appliances or devices that are connected to the circuit. If the existing circuit is not adequate to handle the new water heater, an electrician may need to install a new circuit. This involves running new wiring from the main electrical panel to the water heater location. A new circuit may also require upgrading the electrical panel to provide additional capacity. Electricians can also address common problems such as trip breakers or faulty thermostats that can affect water heater performance. They can diagnose the issue and perform the necessary repairs or replacements. Furthermore, improperly installed electrical work can void the manufacturer's warranty on the water heater. Manufacturers often require that the appliance be installed by a qualified electrician to ensure that it is installed correctly and safely. Hiring a licensed electrician provides peace of mind knowing that the electrical work is done correctly and in compliance with the electrical codes. It also protects against potential electrical hazards and ensures the safe and reliable operation of the water heater. While DIY electrical work may seem like a cost-saving measure, the potential risks and consequences far outweigh the savings.